always think of you when spring comes.
Today we're going to answer a question that I've been asked all the time. What is a good pair of active noise cancelling true wireless earbuds?
It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time.
Active cancelling is one of the most popular features in earbuds right now, but most of the time comes with a big price tag, like the Sony's or the Bose earbuds. Well, I have the right earbuds for you, the Pamu Quiet MINI. Today I will talk about the specs, features, microphone sample, game latency sample, and in the end, I'll give my opinion. Welcome to the review of the Pamu Quiet MINI.
Hello, Thiago here. Welcome back to my channel. I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings. If something didn't interest you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up to this video and share this video all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review.
The brand new Pamu Quiet MINI is going to be a great alternative for those expensive brands, but without sacrificing anything, even the price. At the moment they say that the official retail price will be around $100, a bit less for the UK viewers. But from today to February 15, they'll be going to be doing a big sale price for the initial release, so you can get them for around $59, and that's a steal. I will say that again. Getting them for $59 or a bit less for the UK viewers is a great deal, and you will see that during the video. The case have a clamshell shaped design, with a matte finish all around, with the Pamu branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case you have the LED light indicator, on the back the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and opens and closes very smoothly and doesn't feel cheap at all. The earbuds are held inside by magnets. The case have wireless charging, so if your phone have reverse charging, for example, you can charge your earbuds on the back of your phone. Taking the earbuds from the case, you can see that they have the same matte finish, just like the case and the stem designed. The interface have a large base towards the ear tips. On the other face, we have the branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Talking about controls, the Pamu Quiet MINI have an app that allows you to customize the controls, so you can add the sound control to the earbuds. On the app, you'll be able to toggle the ANC transparency mode and update the firmware. Let's see some of the features now. They have Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, an app, 4 to 5 hours listening time, and 18 hours using the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour of listening time. USB-C and wireless charging, active noise cancellation and ambience feature. And they are IPS4 water resistant, so they are okay to go to the gym or if you get caught under the rain, but don't go swimming with them. The sound, in my opinion, is one of the most impressive features on these earbuds. They have a U-shaped type sound signature. That meaning there is a lot of focus on the bass and on the treble. So you will feel the impact of the bass like a subwoofer, having a lot of detail when it comes to the treble. The microphone is a very important feature for most of the people. Being able to take clear calls using earbuds is very important. These earbuds use Knowles microphones, and they do a very decent job, and most people will be happy to use them for phone calls. But you guys can check the sound samples next. I'll be doing inside of the house and outside of the house. Right guys, this is a mic test with the Pamu Quiet MINI. This is one of the best mics I have tested on earbuds in this channel. So guys, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below what you guys think about the sound. I'm gonna go outside now and test it outside. Right guys, I'm outside. It's a bit windy, But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. So this is the sound outside, guys. Let's go inside now. This is a very impressive pair of earbuds. For the first time ever, I don't have any cons. They are a great alternative to expensive brands, just because you have a great sound and a very impressive noise cancelling. Right guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends all around, and I will see you in my next review.